Hello everyone, and welcome back to our ongoing constitutional series. Today we continue from Chapter 5 of the Constitution of Kenya, Land and Environment. In the previous episode, we classified the categories of land in Kenya: public land, community land, and private land. Today we cover Articles 65 to 68, which explain land ownership by non-citizens, regulation of land use, the role of the National Land Commission, and land laws in Kenya. Let's begin. Article 65, Landholding by non-citizens. Article 65 says non-citizens can only hold land in Kenya through leasehold tenure, and the lease cannot exceed 99 years. This means foreigners cannot permanently own freehold land in Kenya. For example, a foreign investor can lease land to build a hotel or business, but cannot own the land forever. The Constitution also blocks loopholes. Even if a contract tries to give a foreigner ownership beyond 99 years, the law automatically reduces it to a 99-year lease. A company is only considered Kenyan if it is fully owned by Kenyan citizens. The main goal is to protect Kenya's land while still allowing investment. Article 66. Regulation of land use. Article 66 gives the government power to regulate how land is used for public interest. This includes national security, public safety, public health, morality, and proper land planning. For example, you cannot build on road reserves or protected forests. Industries harmful to public health can be restricted. Certain areas may be protected for security reasons. This article reminds us that owning land does not mean using it without limits. The Constitution also says investments involving land should benefit local communities through jobs, infrastructure, and economic growth. Article 67. National Land Commission. Article 67 establishes the National Land Commission, or NNLC. Its role is to manage public land, advise the government on land policy, oversee land planning, and help solve land disputes. The Commission also investigates historical land injustices, an important issue in Kenya due to past land conflicts and illegal allocations. Another key role is encouraging peaceful dispute resolution through traditional community methods where appropriate. The NLC exists to improve fairness, accountability, and proper management of land in Kenya. Article 68. Legislation on land. Article 68 directs Parliament to create and improve land laws. This includes laws on minimum and maximum land ownership, conversion of land from one use to another, protection of matrimonial property, protection of dependents after death, and protection of public land from illegal grabbing. The Constitution recognizes that land issues affect justice, equality, development, and social stability. That is why strong and fair land laws are necessary. That brings us to the end of today's episode on Articles 65 to 68 of Chapter 5 of the Constitution of Kenya. In our next episode, we shall cover Article 69, Obligations in respect of the environment, including environmental protection, conservation, and the responsibility of both the government and citizens. Thank you for watching. If you found this episode helpful, like, subscribe, and share it so that more Kenyans can better understand the Constitution. Until next time, stay informed and keep learning.